we have some signing news. This coming from Pro Circuit Kawasaki, who have announced that Garrett Marchbanks' contract has been extended through to next year. Or at least it sounds has extended for next year. It doesn't sound like it's a 2-year deal. It's going to be a 1 year and see where you fall again kind of thing. That seems to happen all the time with this sport. Obviously, Marchbanks joined or started with the Pro Circuit team and then switched over to Club MX Yamaha in 2021 and has since come back to the Team Green, or well, the green bike, ahead of the 2024 Unadilla National, which extended into the 2025 season. In Supercross in the West region, he finished, fifth, and currently in the 250 Pro Motocross Championship, he sits third. So not exactly a bad signing. He is kind of hitting on the edge of the old range, but I guess you could say I'm kind of wrong and also right. As I look this up, he was born in 2021, so he's going to be, 25 next year. So he's falling into that weird range of not young, but also probably should be looking to move up to the 450 class. And who knows where he falls in the Supercross rankings next year, if he can kind of show that he's progressed enough to move up to the 450 side of things. We'll see. I don't think this is a bad signing. Obviously, he's fifth and third in the two championships this year. It shows he's consistent, competitive, for them. Who knows? I mean, nobody else has been really doing much for them. So for a 1-year deal for them, probably a great deal. Who knows how much it is? Who knows any sort of specifics about it? Because we don't get that stuff here. We're not a sport that likes to tell everybody anything. But so I'm going to leave you guys. Comment down below. Tell me what you think. Good signing, bad signing. Hey, you think somebody else should be on that team? Whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me what you think while you're down there. Make sure to like, share, subscribe. Do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really just helped me out. And I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.